Alright, back again. Just going to finish off some of the final parts to my rotisserie now. I've got the plates on, so that's adjustable that way, up and down. What I've got to tackle now is the stays that go out either side, that are attached to the front of the bus, and then the rear of the bus from the other side there. And what I'm going to do is build some sleeves that basically go over this, and then they'll have an arm that goes out as well, and that'll have some holes in it, or I might even just weld it directly to a section that will bolt into here. So I think I'll probably end up doing that. I wanted to keep away from the front end, so welding it to the actual frame that I've built is ideal for me, but I'll see how I go. But the idea, what I've done is I've got some of this. I don't have pipe that fits over this. It's 75 mil by 50 mils. So what I've got is this stuff here, angle, and if I put two pieces together like that, imagine that's the actual arm here, and I'll weld this together, and then what I'll do is I'll lay one on and then another one on, and I'll create a box section, but it'll be very strong. It'll be double wall thickness, top and bottom. And then what I'll be able to do is cut it into 4 sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll have all 4. So I'll have 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. And then from that point, so if you can imagine, I've got a section this big here. I'll be able to weld a nice stout section of this and actually extend it from the front right through actually to underneath the frame. That's ideally where I want to end up, because I want to have all of this free in here to weld, because this isn't finished welded underneath, but the frame itself is. So I want to do a bit more work in here. I'm going to gusset this corner here on the inside and the outside on both sides, so it'll be extra strong. There won't be any flex, especially with this compromised metal up here. So build myself a box section out of this angle. It'll be extra thick. Here, look how thickness of that. And then use my chop saw to just basically chop it into 4 bits, and then run this stuff, which I have a lot of now, directly forwards from the front and back. And the beautiful part, I think, of that will be that it's going to be really strong. And then obviously I'll have bolts mounted here, and then they'll be able to be tightened on. So anyway, just thought I'd show you what I'm up to.